Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to fix the audio not working when you share your screen in Discord. So first, I'm currently in a voice channel, so this may work even on one personal calls or one-on-one calls. So for me, we're going to use a voice channel here. So just click on share your screen, and as you can see there are screens here. So if I click on screen 1 and go live, if you use this type of share screen method, it won't work since it doesn't relay the sound when you use the screen share. But so let's stop streaming. If you want it to work so that the audio can be shared, you'll want to go to applications here, and that's where you'll share your audio. So like this, we're on the application section here. So click on any one, like you could go with Spotify or YouTube. So if you do this, your audio should work fine with no problems at all. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.